Okay, this is just a quick video. Sorry for the shaky camera angle. In this video I'm going to show you how to get most of Andrew Tate's courses for free. It's not some bullshit video I'm going to show you now. So, before the actual video starts, I'm going to explain some of the stuff so that you can understand better what I mean with you can get most of the courses for free. So there have been people who just pirated Andrew Tate's courses and upload them continuously on YouTube. So the old Hustlers University courses, and you can get them for free. And I'll show you now how this works on my laptop. We're gonna see this. So you can now see my computer screen. The first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, open your browser. Then you just type YouTube. I have this as a preset, so I don't have to type it. Press enter. Once you've arrived on your YouTube page, you can just type Andrew Tate, then the course that you need, so Hustlers University, and then you just type all lessons, depending on how big the course is you want to get. And then there will be exceptionally long videos, so specifically look for these, that are titled Andrew Tate, all lessons 1 to 100 Hustlers University, and when you hover them, if you see car gameplay or some other bullshit like that, ignore that, it's bullshit. Specifically search for these videos where you just see him talking and there's either a filter, or you just see some text in there, or it's just literally him talking. This is, for example, a video. If you still don't believe me, you can type PhD. You don't have to type anything else. You don't have to type all lessons. It will just appear there. And you'll see PhD, mastering the law of attraction, and it is PhD, blah 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 blah. And when you hover over there, or just click on it, you see it's literally Andrew Tate's course.
Most of these hot bitches don't get ignored. Hot girl.
You can literally see him talking in these videos and all that stuff. Pretty nice. You can get almost any course of the old courses from Hustlers University, so Iron Mind. And if you think you still need to buy it the real world, you don't fucking have to. You don't have to buy the real world anymore, because I think these courses are like, you can get them on YouTube in these big videos. You don't need anymore. I think it's completely fine if you just go with these, because they provide a fuck ton of value. I maybe make a video about this where I showcase all my notes that I've taken on these courses. They provide so much value, and you can just get them for free on YouTube. So I don't think you need any stuff by some other random dude. I think to learn from Andrew Tate is best. All hates beside, he knows pretty much about business. So for the people who don't want dumb filters, or some of the videos might have pretty cheap quality, you can search for a bit longer and usually these videos appear. There is a risk that these big videos, like those 8-hour long videos, might be taken down, but you can easily avoid this if you just search again and find another video, because they get uploaded like literally every month. Or you just look for playlists like these which offer many courses, so the loss isn't that big. Or you search for not big videos but big playlists, so you can filter for playlists. And then you will find short videos where each time is like one lesson gets explained, and this could also resolve the issue. So this was the guide. I hope it wasn't like that complicated, because my English is pretty bad. Drop me a comment if you can't find a certain course, and might be able to help you with that. If you have a question, just ask in the comments. We're gonna see you in the next episode. Bye.